Hello friends, on this episode we're going to be enhancing our RV suspension with 2 upgrades on our 2025 Alliance Avenue. We'll tell you what we did and why it's so important. So don't go anywhere, we'll be right back. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Dan. If you like what you see in this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. It really will help out the channel a lot. So let's talk RV suspension. I just want to brace everyone for a harsh truth. Your RV's frame hangers are weak. I can't tell you how many times I've read online or watched a video of someone stranded on the side of the road because of a broken leaf hanger. Another harsh truth, there's not too many RV techs out there that are welders. That's why we decided to have the MorRyde X-Factor Crossmembers installed. And what that's going to do is add lateral strength to our suspension, basically reducing the stress from traveling down rough roads or when you're backing up really tight. The X-Factors will reduce the side torque and twisting on the hangers. Plus, adding them will shore up the foundation of the frame, giving it more strength, taking out all the twists of the frame by 90%.
The MorRyde X-Factor Crossmembers are really easy to put on, absolutely a DIY job. You really only need, it's a bolt-on kit. So as long as you take the weight off of the suspension, get those wet bolts out like you saw me do, you can go in there with your ratchet gun and a wrench and put this on in probably a couple hours. I mean, I can knock it out in about an hour, hour and a half. It'll probably take you 2 hours if you've never done it before, but it's a really easy DIY installation.
MorRyde recommends if you're not boondocking, only use 2 of the cross members. So that's exactly what we did to Allie. Now, when you install your X-Factor cross members to your trailer, one thing to remember, these are basically a precautionary measure. There's not really a ride performance you're going to feel once they're mounted up. It's just to support your factory hangers and take 90% of that twist out of the suspension. Best of all, you don't have any welding to do to install them. It's just a bolt-on kit.
So when you're driving down the road or you're turning into tight RV spots, your spring hangers are hanging down off your I-beams and they twist when you take a turn. Tying those spring hangers together with the X-Factor Crossmember, especially when you add 2 of them, eliminates 90% of that twist. So you're much more stable going down the road, but it's a cheap insurance policy for potentially breaking a spring hanger and leaving you on the side of the road until a mobile welder can come out and fix it for you.
The other modification to the suspension you might have noticed while we were doing the Crossmembers is the Sumo Springs. I've had them on my truck for over a year now and I love them. So I added them to Allie a couple months ago and all I can say is game changer. It took about 45 minutes to install all 4 of them, and when you're driving you definitely feel a difference. When you hit a bump, the Sumo Springs just absorb it and everything settles down instantly. I've also noticed things inside the trailer not moving around anymore. Now, if you've already installed the Crossmembers on your camper, leave us a message on what you think or recommendations you might have or would do differently. That's all the time we have for this week. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.